Hi everyone, welcome to online English class. This is level 1, the start of lesson 20. So I want to tell you that next week for me, so the week of June 15th, you have a test. The test is not my test, I don't make the test. So I don't know what is on the test, but you need to do the test on June 15th, June 17th. So I will help you study for the test. So let's get started.
So now let's get started. One more time, this is level 1 English. This is lesson 20, which starts on June 10th, and this is part 1. And a reminder, next week for me, so the week that starts on January 15th, June 15th. June 15th, June 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th, you have a test. The test is not from me. I don't know what's on the test. So today we're going to study. We're going to study everything. So in this video, we have a warm-up, then we will learn money, time words, and past tense. We're learning all of this in today's video. You are probably watching this between June 10th and June 21st. This video was filmed on June 6, 2020. Oh, it's okay. The warm-up. The day is Saturday. The date is June 6, 2020. The date in numbers is 06, 06, 06, 06, 2020. Okay. The weather. Let's look at the weather. Right now it is Saturday at 12 p.m., so 12 in the afternoon. The weather is sunny. The current temperature is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. If we look at the daily forecast, we can see that the high temperature for today is 87 and the low temperature is 68 degrees. The precipitation, or the chance of rain, is 3%. So the weather is sunny. There is a 3% chance of rain. If there's a 3% chance of rain, then there's probably no rain today. So it probably will not rain today. Today, the temperature range is from 68 to 87 degrees. The current temperature is 82 degrees. It feels hot. Okay. Yesterday, the weather is, we say this in past tense. Yesterday the weather was cloudy. Tomorrow, when we talk about tomorrow, we can say the weather is going to be. Is going to be is in the future. Tomorrow. So tomorrow the weather is going to be. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So let's say tomorrow is partly cloudy. Tomorrow the weather is going to be partly cloudy. Okay, so let's review money. We need to learn about money for the test, and it's also important. So this is the dollar sign. And this is the cent sign. The dollar sign, the cent sign. There are 100 cents in a dollar. So, $1 is the same as 100 cents. So we can write $1 like this, or we can write it like $1.00. We can write $1 and then we write the period 00. This means $1.00. So now let's talk about the value of money. So here we have coins and then we have bills. Bills are paper money and these are coins. Coins and bills together make cash. Cash is coins and bills. The bills are the paper money. So this is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. We can write 1 cent with the cent sign, or we can write 1 cent with the dollar sign. 1 penny is $0.01. This is a nickel. A nickel is 5 cents, or $0.05. A nickel. A dime, 10 cents. $0.10. A quarter, 25 cents. The half dollar, you don't need to know the half dollar. Nobody uses it. Okay? The dollar bill, $1, $5, $10, $20. The bills are easy because they have the numbers on them. But these coins, there's no number. So you need to remember 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. Okay, so let's say I have this much money. Let's say I go shopping, and then this is the amount of money I need to pay. This is the total. The total is how much? The total is $50.99. This is $50.99. After we say $50, we say and 99 cents. When we talk about money and we write the period here, there's always 2 numbers after it. These 2 numbers are the cents. Another way we can say this is 50.99. We can say the amount is 50.99. We can say $50.99, or we can just say 50.99. So what about this? How do you say this much money? This is $104.22. $104.22. $104.22. Or we can say 104.22. $104.22. 104.22. Okay, so now let's talk about time words. These are words we use when we talk about time. We have at, in, on. So let's talk about these three first. At, in, and on. So we use at when we have an hour time. So we say at 1:30. If we have the time, we use at 1:30, at 8, at 12:45. We use at. We also use at for the word night. At night. So let's practice using these words. Let's say I go to work at 1:30. I go to sleep at night. How do you say this? At 11:45. At 11:45. Okay, let's do in. In, we use in for a part of the day. We use in for parts of the day. So we have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So the morning, the afternoon, and the evening are all part of the day. So we use the word in. For nighttime, we use the word at. We can also use the word in for months. So we can say in May, in June, in October. And we can use the word in for a year. So we can say in 2015 or in 2025. These are years. We say in. And now we have the word on, the time word on. On, we use on for day of the week. So we can say on Friday or on the weekend. On Friday, on the weekend, on the weekday. So we use the word on when we talk about days of the week. We also use on for date, the date. So we can say on February 23rd or on 02/23/2020. We use on for the date. So every day in the warm-up, we say the date, we say the day. So the day is Friday. The date is February 23rd. So this is the day. The day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The date is the month and the number of the day. So this is February 23rd. We use the word on for them. on the weekend on February 23rd. So we have at, in, and on. At is for times, like hours, and at is for the word night. In is for a part of the day, so in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We also use the word in for months and years. We use the word on for days of the week and the date. So now let's practice using the words at, in, and on. And also from to. From to is easy because you need 2 different times for from to. So you always know when to use from to because you need it 2 times. Everything else is just 1 time. So number 1, I have English class Tuesday, Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday are days. For days of the week, we use on. So I have English class on Tuesday and Thursday. 2, my sister usually has class Saturday. Saturday is a day of the week, so we use on. My sister usually has class on Saturday. 3, I do my homework night. Night, we always say at night. I do my homework at night. 4, my father goes to work the morning. The morning is a part of the day, so we say in the morning. My father goes to work in the morning. 5, he always catches the bus 8:45. 8:45 is a time, so we say at 8:45. 6, my mom goes to PTA meetings in the evening. The evening is a part of the day, in the evening. 7, I usually go on vacation July. July is a month, so we say in. I usually go on vacation in July. She has class 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Because we have 2 times, we say from to. She has class from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so let's answer the question, when does Jerry go to work? When does Jerry go to work? So we want to know when. So we can say, he goes to work at 11:30. He goes to work at 11:30. Because 11:30 is a time, we use the word at. He goes to work at 11:30. In the morning? When does Jerry go to work? He goes to work at 11:30. In the morning? No. At night. So Jerry goes to work at 11:30 at night. When we have the morning is a part of the day, so we say in. Night, we always say at night. So when does Jerry go to work? He goes to work at 11:30 at night. Okay, so when does he come home? When does he come home? At 9:45. When does he come home? At 9:45. In the morning? Yes. So when does he come home from work? At 9:45. In the morning? Yes. We say in the morning because the morning is a part of the day. We say at 9:45 because this is a time, so we always use the word at. Okay, so now we're going to practice the past tense. If you don't know what this is your homework from maybe probably week 6 or week 7. And so like maybe last month, this was the homework. This was the past tense homework. So what you do is you write your first name, your last name, and then you choose the class you're in. So let's get some practice. So I want you to tell me, is this time word in past or present? Is it in past or present tense? The first word we have is right now. Is right now in the present or in the past? Right now is in the present. Already. Already is in the past. Before. Before is in the past. Last night. Past. Today. Present. Last week. Past. The week before. The week before means the week before last week. So 2 weeks ago. Past. This week. Present. Yesterday. Past. 3 hours ago. Past. Whenever we have the word ago, it means 3 hours before now. So it happened already. So right now it is 1 p.m. So 3 hours ago is 10 a.m. 10 in the morning. Okay. So rule number 1 for past tense. So here we are looking at the guide to past tense. Let me find the guide to past tense for you. So the guide to past tense has 4 rules. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see. Rule number 1. If a word is irregular, if the verb is irregular, what do? We use the list of irregular verbs. So for rule number 1, if the word is irregular, we use the list of irregular verbs. Here. So if we want to know the word in the past tense, it's on this list for irregular verbs. Number 2. If a word ends with the letter Y, what do? We change Y to IED. Number 3. If a word ends with the letter E, if it ends with the letter E, we add D to the end. Now, rule number 4. If none of these rules apply, we just add ED. It's just normal. So that's how we use the past tense. Oops. Hold on. Okay, the next part. Here, we want to choose the correct word in past tense. Remember, we only change the first verb in a phrase to past tense. The verbs after are normal, they're regular. Okay, so 1. I clean the living room. How do we write this in past tense? Clean. Clean is a regular verb, so we write ED. I cleaned the living room. 2. Do you cook dinner? Because this is a question, we use the word do. So in past tense, we change do to did. And then the verb after did stays the same. So cook, cook. Did you cook dinner? 3. He doesn't stop at the stop sign.
So, this sentence is a negative. We know it's negative because we have does not. He doesn't. So, when we have a negative in past tense, we change doesn't to didn't. He didn't. And then the verb after didn't stays the same. So stop is the same. Stop. He didn't stop at the stop sign. I am not at home. I am not at home. Well, I am is irregular. So, on the list of irregular verbs, we have am. The past tense of am is was. I was not at home. And that's the end. Let's see how we did. We got 17 out of 17 points. That's good. So all 17 questions are correct.